Have you ever wondered about that humble, knobby root sitting in your spice rack? That's ginger, and for thousands of years, cultures around the world have treasured this powerful root for both its warming flavor and remarkable healing properties. The secret lies in a powerful compound called gingerol, which gives ginger its distinctive taste and provides potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Traditional medicine has long used ginger to soothe upset stomachs, fight nausea, and warm the body from within. Today, modern science is validating what traditional healers have known for centuries, revealing 11 remarkable ways ginger can support your health. Whether you slice it fresh into hot water, grate it into meals, or take it as a supplement, incorporating ginger into your routine is simple and delicious. Let's explore the evidence-based ways this incredible spice can transform your health, starting with its most famous benefit. Ginger's most celebrated benefit is its remarkable ability to calm nausea and settle upset stomachs, particularly effective for morning sickness and motion sickness. Gingerol works by accelerating stomach emptying and reducing the signals that trigger nausea, providing natural relief without side effects. Research shows ginger can support weight management by boosting metabolism, increasing feelings of fullness, and helping your body burn fat more efficiently. For those suffering from osteoarthritis and joint pain, ginger's anti-inflammatory properties can provide significant relief, often matching the effectiveness of conventional pain medications. Studies demonstrate that regular ginger consumption can help lower fasting blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, crucial for preventing type 2 diabetes. Ginger supports cardiovascular health by helping to lower bad cholesterol, reduce triglycerides, and improve overall heart function. For chronic indigestion sufferers, taking ginger before meals can prevent bloating, gas, and that heavy feeling, promoting smoother digestion throughout the day. Research shows ginger can be as effective as common pain relievers for menstrual cramps, offering natural relief without pharmaceutical side effects. Emerging research suggests ginger's powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties may help reduce the risk of certain cancers, particularly those affecting the digestive system. Ginger's neuroprotective compounds may help maintain cognitive function, improve memory, and potentially reduce the risk of age-related mental decline. Ginger's antimicrobial properties help fight various infections, from common bacteria to oral pathogens, supporting your body's natural immune defenses. With over 11 documented health benefits backed by scientific research, ginger stands out as one of nature's most powerful healing foods. Most studies show optimal benefits with 1 to 3 grams of ginger daily, taken consistently over several weeks to months. Choose organic, fresh ginger when possible, or look for standardized supplements from reputable manufacturers to ensure you're getting the full therapeutic benefits. While ginger is generally safe for most people, those taking blood-thinning medications or who are pregnant should consult their healthcare provider before using therapeutic amounts. Start with small amounts and listen to your body. Most people tolerate ginger well, but some may experience mild heartburn or stomach upset initially. The easiest way to enjoy ginger's benefits is by incorporating it into your daily routine through cooking, teas, or high-quality supplements. Make ginger your personal health experiment. Try different forms, track your results, and discover how this amazing root can enhance your well-being. Your journey to better health can start today with something as simple as adding ginger to your life. Take that first step and discover the incredible healing power that's been waiting in nature all along.